one more student, okay? Just let me just okay, Assalamualaikum everyone. We are starting now. We're gonna ramp up towards the SA1. All right. So let us see. We're gonna try two papers simultaneously. That means we are gonna do it at the same time. So let us see. Okay, one is from Nanhua. This is like a Chinese school, and normally they're quite good the schools. So we try immediately question. If you can see here, 1, 2, and 3. Once you're the thing, you can send your answer. You're not allowed to use calculators. This is paper one. No calculator for paper one. Okay, Zahin, well done. For the first one, Mr. Zahin, congratulations. What about the rest? How nice hairstyle is done. It's a little bit frizzy. I hope to make my hairstyle a bit. Come, Putri, send your answer, please. Can, huh? Putri can do, Putri. Ilhan, okay, right, Ilhan? You can send on the chat this the answer for. I only got Zahin's answer. Okay, all right, Putri, correct. For question one, what about Ilhan? Then move on to 2 and 3. Okay, well done to Miss Putri. Zahir, okay. Ilhan, I've not gotten your answers. Come, Ilhan. Try. If not, I have to show. Okay, so far, okay. It's quite easy. Okay, Zahir now says that. Now Zahin and Putri's answer are different, so we are gonna go through that in a moment. So for the first one, okay, because yeah, if let's say you can't do it on time, I will have to do it with you. For you, I think 82 times 3 down here for this first one. Later add the 2 zeros, 2 times 3 6, 8 times 3 8 times 3 24, 24, right? But this is actually 300, so I just add another 2 zeros over here. All right, so this will become 24,600. Okay, so the answer is 3. Yeah. The next one, how many thousands are there in this question? Now this question is very easy to get the answer. Okay, I'm going to enlarge this to get answer to this. How many thousand? There's always 3 zeros, right? So what you do, you cancel the 3 zeros, you get answer. Okay, cancel. This is how many thousands there are. The answer is 5,630. Very simple. They ask you, let's say, they ask you how many 10,000 are there. 10,000, how many zeros? 4 zeros. So cancel this 4 thing, and your answer is 563. If they ask you how many 100,000, same thing, 100,000, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So cancel the fifth one, 5,600,000. All right. If they ask you how many ones, you don't cancel anything. If they ask you how many tens, cancel 1 0 because 10 there's 1 0. This is your answer. Okay, very simple. So we move on to the next one now. Okay, the next one now, the next one. Okay, and yeah, those who finish question 3 can go question number 4. Question 3, we have different answers from Putri and Zahin. So one will be right, one will not be right. Okay. All right. Okay. All four of you have already completed this now. Very, very simple. First of all, don't change your answers now. That doesn't matter. Two of you have different answers from the other two. Okay. Let's see. Right. The number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I put a dot. Let's say down here lah. You must first of all be able to identify the ones. The ones is always beside here. Remember, $1 is like that. Beside here. Beside here will be the 10th with a TH. I put it as 1/10. Beside here will be the 10. No TH. Then the 100. Then the 100th. This is 100. 100 means 1/100. No. So now let us look carefully at this question. What does the 7 stand for? This 7 here. What does it stand for? Well, you just look at the ones out. This is the ones here. Ones, 10th, and the next one is the 100. So this is 700. So those of you say tens, you have not identified the ones. The ones is always here, 10th, 100,000. Okay, answer is number 3. Yeah. Okay, we move on to the next one. Which one most likely to be the mass of a chicken egg? Hey, you must know, sir. This is life skill. Life skill. Okay. So we have one person giving the answer. Wow. This one just give answer. They don't know the answer. Zahin, that the weight you give is twice the weight of a baby, newly born baby. Okay, a newborn baby is, let's say, 3 kg, some 4 kg. You ask your parents, how many kg were you? The 3 kg, 4 kg. All right, so let us see. So the answer down here is question number 4. Question number 4, the answer is 80 gram. Now, you see 8 kg, okay, what is, this one might be 1 kg, this weight. You can see this thing here. Maybe 1 to 2 kg. Okay. You carry a baby before, a newborn baby, is about maybe 3 to 5 kg. You carry a toddler, then might be 10 kg. Toddler, you know, those cute one, might be 10 kg. So now 800 grams, very heavy, quite heavy, you know. It's maybe a couple of books together. Maybe, let's say now you have maybe your mathematics book, this one, your book, might be 800 kg, 800 grams. 800 grams. 80 kg is like this lah. It's like this. Minyak kapak roughly about 80 grams. Your telur is roughly about that. 80 grams. You must know that 8 grams very light. 8 grams very light, you know. It's like made of cotton like that. Made of cotton. Okay. So be careful. You must be able to estimate this stuff because it's a life skill. Algebra. And go please. Akil, just wake up, Akil. Akil. No. Your face so masam, don't be masam, smile a little bit.
Wake up 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. Okay. But you look tired, Okay, come. Let's try. Congratulations to, yes, Akil, Putri. We're waiting for the rest now for question number 5. Zahin. And what about Ilhan? For question number, Ilhan, where is Ilhan? Disappeared. Oh, disappeared. Okay, for question number 5, all the answers are correct. Congratulations. Very simple. 13y minus y is 12y. 12y plus 5y is 17y. And you have 28 over here. So now for the next question. Wow. 2 different answers. Let's see. What about Zahin? We're waiting for Zahin for question number. This one. Putri and Akil have different answers. What about Zahin? Meanwhile, we will ask this question to, okay, 1 over 10, 4 over 100. Okay, yes. Now down here we ask, Putri, what is place is this in? The 5? You got unmute yourself. One's place. Okay. Then this one is what? It's 10. So it's 1 over 10, correct? And then this one is 100. 4 over 100. Now you put 14,000. Let me see. 100. There is no. Okay. So down here, if it's 14,000, okay, how to do like that? Okay, let's see now. How to test if they give you like this. So what you do is you count the number of zeros down here. See, this is 5. So there's 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. So you fill in 14 here. Yes, 0. This is now this number. You see now down here. Okay, I just take this first one down here. 5, 1, 0. I put the 1 inside. The 2 zeros, I put the 4 down here. This is okay. This one, what about here? Okay, watch. Watch carefully because down here now is 10. 10 now is only 1 0. So put the 4 here. And the 1 I must put together with the 5 becomes 6 for this one. You can play around with this one now. What to do? This one 0. This one is 110. So 1 0. You put the 1 here. Then this one is 1 2 3 0. 1 2 3 0. Put the 4 on here. Blank, put a 0. This is this answer. Do you know how to do roughly? You know how to do? You look at the 0, you put a 1 decimal place. 2 0 2 decimal place. So now let us try. Let us try. If I give you this number now, okay, 773 hundredths. What is this number in decimal? Hundreds with a TH. What is this with a decimal? Can you tell me what's the answer? Hundred, how many zero? 100, how many zero? 100 always have 2 zeros, right? 2 0. Then put a dot here. Then put a blank here. So the last one, you put it here. 7, you put it here. 1.73. You get it? How to do? You understand? Okay, we last one. Ilhan just came back. Okay, now let's say now I put on here and I say 4 0 2 5 10s with a TH. What is the answer now? Can you key in your answer into the thing? All right. Well done, Miss. Okay, now we have different answers. One said that, another one said this. Okay, let's see. What about Akil and Ilhan? The question is this, Ilhan. We have 4,025 tenths. So what is the answer? Akil says that. And okay, Ilhan will just give. So now you ask yourself, tens got how many zero? Tens. 1 0 ni. The rest, put the dot here. So take the last one, put down here 5. The rest you fill in here lah. This is your answer. I repeat, Zahin, you get it, Zahin? 10 is 10. Put the last digit inside here. Then the rest you follow through lah. Okay, I hope you get it. I hope you get it. Never mind. We'll try. We try again. We have a lot more practices. Okay, GST and yeah. They want you to find the price after adding the GST. This is before the GST. So after GST, is it more expensive or cheaper? GST, you must understand, is the tax paid to the government. The government wants to collect money. Every item you buy, they say you must pay me some money also. So they're collecting money. Let's see. Congratulations to Mr. Akil. Well done. Akil looks a little bit bored. He says, give me something challenging lah. Give me something challenging. Akil, wake up. Akil, don't go to sleep. Fasting, Akil. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Okay, Ilhan is trying to enter again. Wait, let him enter and see. Zahin, congratulations. And what about Miss Putri? Very simple, very simple, very simple. 7%, 7%. Ken, Putri? Now we want 7%. Putri, have you sent? No, right? 7%. Yes, correct. Oh, well done, Putri. 7% of what? Of $200. That's your GST, right? So you do like that, blah blah blah. So sorry, just let me show you so that in case you're not sure. So now you divide, you get cancel 202. 7 times 2, $14 is the GST. You must plus the 214. Congratulations to all three. We move on to the next one now. Next one. If you are feeling tired or whatever, you need to go and rinse your face, please carry on. What you can also do is what I'm doing here, because I'm teaching too many classes. I'm not, this is not advertisement for minyak kapak, but I'm using it. Or you can also try to eat a durian. You must know how to do this. How many grams is this? If you cannot see, I will enlarge this for you. We have the first answer now. Congratulations, Mr. Zahin. Congratulations. What about the rest? Congratulations, Putri. What about the rest? Akil, what about you? Chiayo. Ilhan. Ilhan and Zahin have Japanese characters. Akil, we are waiting for you, Akil. You have not sent your answer. You're just lying down like that, please. Go and wash your face. Go and wash your face. Go and wash your face. Go and drink some water. Okay, come. Well done, Ilhan and Akil. Okay, congratulations. So now, down here, I'm going to give you another question. Okay, imagine if you have something like that. Okay, and then you have something like this. And, okay, I want you to tell me, what is this? Hold on, I'm not giving you the, imagine this one is, let's say, 75. Okay, let's see this one now is, hold on. 107. You want to find what this is. This is 107. So now just say 107. What is this over here? Sorry, Mr. Akil. How can it be 32? 75, then go 32, then become 107. How come suddenly go down and go up again? Impossible, impossible. Try again, please. But 32 is correct about something now. You remember part of it. It's part of the step. 32 is part of the step. Anyone who now disappear? Someone is a Putri. Internet. Can do not? Zahin, you know what to do not? Okay, count now. Take count between the two numbers. Count the number of parts. I use a different color so you can see. Down here to here, this from here to here, there's how many parts? 1 part, 2 parts, 3 parts, 4 parts. Then take 107 minus 75. When you minus, you get 32. So 4 parts is equals to 32. What is 1 part? 1 part is 32 divided by 4, you get 8. So you plus 8. 75 plus 8. The next one is what? Next one will be 83. You plus another 8. You plus another 8. Now it becomes 91. You plus another 8. Plus another 8 becomes 99. You plus another 8 becomes 107. So what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to count the number of parts between the two numbers, which Akil got it correct. This is 32. But you must divide by the number of parts to know how many parts there are. Then you plus. Okay, then we come to that again another time now. Let us try now the next one. Okay. You try these two, just give me a moment. 8 and 9, please. Let's see, we got the first answer already. Okay, you have Akil and Zahin having different answers. Akil, you can send direct message to me, you don't need to, otherwise others can see your answer. What about, okay, another person says that. What about Ilhan for number 9? Okay, so let us go through this. Very simple. Very simple. This is very simple. Okay. If you forget, let us take something very easy. 2 cards, imagine, 2 cards cost $10. How much does 1 card cost? So 1 card will be what? Take 10 divided by 2. You take money divided by number. Money divided by number, not bigger number divided by smaller number. Money divided by number, you get 5. Okay, you get 5. So now, okay, you get 5. So now we are going to do this question now. This question say 40 cards. How much is it? Is $20. What is 1 card? Remember what we said? Money divided by number. Money divided by number, not bigger number divided by smaller. Money is $20. Divide by number of cards is $40. You divide, you cancel the 0. 2 divided by 4, you get half. Half is 50 cents. Okay? Half a dollar is 50 cents. So the answer is number 3. Okay, let us try number 4 then. Okay, number 4. If you get answer $2, that means you take bigger number divide by smaller number. Don't do that. Huh? Okay, now the next one now. If you do not know what this is a formula for average. Mr. Tan, T, A, N. You cover the what? The A to find average. Total divide by number. What's the total? Add all these are total. Divide by what? Divide by the number of tests. Then you get average. So let us see. One say answer is 3, one say answer is 2. You must add them together and then you divide by 3. Okay, once you add these 3, yes, Ilhan, correct. Okay. Once you add these 3, you get 240. 240, then you must divide by what? You have to divide by 3, 3 tests. So you get 83, 24 divided by 3 is 8. So you get 80, number 2. Okay. I hope you're okay. All right, the next one. Okay, if you're not okay, yeah, maybe you want to rinse your face, you want to rest a little bit, no problem. Okay. Akil, wake up, Akil. Akil, wake up. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Dah buka. Okay, let us see. I forgot which is which. Okay, number 3, number 1. Okay, let us see. Akil, what happened, Akil? Dia dah ngantuk, kepala dah sengat. It's okay lah. Si Zahin still okay, Zahin. Zahin fasting kan, Zahin? Zahin, you're sucking something into your mouth. I guess that's why. Okay, let us see. Which one is nearest to number 1? Ilhan dah pingsan, ya Allah. Ilhan, bangunlah. Aduh, puasa-puasa like that. You know, in the army, I remember going for training, everyone going buka, no? We're going for the test. Everyone run, halfway running. But I tried control myself. Can do it, it's possible. In fact, the Muslims during the Battle of Badr, they were fighting during the month of Ramadan, and all of them puasa. Can you imagine fighting a battle? For us, where we are fasting as a teacher, I'm fasting, I cannot go for PE. Shame on us lah, shame on us. Ilhan, bangun. Allahu Akbar, our friend. Aduh. Yeah, Ilhan. Okay, now down here we check. Which one is nearest to 1 whole? Which one? This one is like on a number line. No? This one is like 1 whole. So you might have some less than 1, some more than 1. So let us see how to do this. Why don't we change all of them? Let's say we can use for this one and this one, we can use. I'm just thinking, how do I explain this to you? Okay, what are your answers? Zahin says the answer is 1. Putri, tidur ah Putri. Wake up Putri. You all need to wash your... Putri, you say answer is 3, is it? Putri says 3. Irhan says 1. Okay, so now, okay, let me explain to you. If you have 4 over 5, okay, 4 over 5, and 7 over 8, which one is closest to 1? You see this size now, 4 over 5, you draw now a circle. 1 is 1 whole, okay? So now I draw like that. Like this. You all are tired already. Okay, you tired? Don't worry, we end slightly earlier. Okay. Now 7 over 8 is the size like that. It is even smaller. Can you see now? So now if we do 7 over 8, it's like that. So if I shade, you see I shade. This, if the smaller size cake, the smaller size cake, the slice, that means the closer you are to 1 whole. You see, just a little bit more to 1 whole. Whereas down here 4 out of 5, can you see now? It is not so much. You still got a lot more. Let's say I put 2 out of 3. 2 out of 3, you put circle. Oh, sorry. 2 out of 3, then you see down here. It's even bigger size lah. So the point down here is you look at the denominator. The bigger the number, the smaller the size. So this one now down here, compare these two. Let us compare these two, okay? Comparing 3/4 and 4/5. 4/5 is nearer. 4/5 is nearer to 1. Okay? Compared 1/7 and 1/6. 1/7 is nearer to 1. Now this one is the answer. Why? Because down here, okay, I draw it down here. This is 1/17. This one down here is 1/16. Okay, down here now 4/5 maybe is further away, you know. So, okay, maybe I'm not too sure. The answer should be number 1. Yes, should be number 1.
Lagging.
Oh, I'm lagging. Okay, the answer is number 1. Okay, never mind. We put a star again. I will try to explain with diagram. Okay, I'm lagging now, so now I have to change to my Wi-Fi or my handphone, and I hope that it doesn't lag anymore. Okay, I hope it's better now. Okay, we move on. Okay, we move. So answer is number 1. Why? Because the slice is smaller. That means that if I take this 1 whole and 1/7, the slice down here.
Teacher, can't hear you.
You can't hear me? Are you sure? Ilhan can hear me now? Putri can hear me? Cannot. How come? Zahin can hear me? Zahin, oh dah tidur, eh? Okay. Akil can hear me, Putri, you can hear me right now? Cannot. So something is wrong with your machine now. Maybe you check, you cannot hear me. Okay, so now I will just let me send a message to Putri. I send a message to everyone, and everyone. Putri, please check your volume on your computer. You check. Can you hear me now? Is it better now? Are you able to hear me, Putri? Everyone else can hear me. Putri, can you hear me? Putri cannot hear me. Just hold on, just for a while. Can you hear me, Putri? Cannot. So how? Okay, maybe you restart. You are on a laptop. Are you a laptop or what? Phone. Are you a laptop? I can hear you. You can answer me. Putri, are you on a laptop or phone? Cannot. Okay, you restart your computer. Okay. All right. Okay now. Aduh. I think the only one who can tahan is Zahin. Zahin, you're the only one who can tahan. Zahin, if you need to wash your face, please carry on. Akil already is bingko. Ilhan, turn off the video to go to sleep. Ilhan, come on, Ilhan. You can tahan. You need to rinse your face, okay? This is afternoon lah. Okay, this is the... Aduh. Aduh. All right, number 12. Another 50 minutes more. We can do worry. You need to go to toilet. Okay, we take I tell you what, we take a 2 minutes toilet break, kan? But you walk around first. 2 minutes toilet break, you go to toilet, you go shishi, shushu, whatever, wash or rinse your face and come back. Otherwise you'll be... Zahin, you don't want to go for a break, Zahin? You don't need. Oh, Zahin, you're steady, Zahin, alhamdulillah. Well done. Okay, Zain, you try to do question 12 first. Okay, this is like a ratio punya the thing. Actually, Zahin's punya secret I know lah. They listen to music. But it's one way lah, okay. Betul Zain, I can see. What song are you listening to? What song? What's the name of the song? Tell us lah, tell me what's the name? What band is it? Can you type it into the thing? The name of the band? Maybe we might listen to some song. Or you all need to have some music. Putri, can you hear me, Putri? Are you able to hear me, Miss Putri? Putri, are you able to hear me? Putri, come in. Putri, 1, 2, 3. Are you there? Miss Putri, can you hear me? Putri, can you hear me? Putri, are you able to hear me? Yes, good. All right, we will attempt question 12 and 13. Treat You Better by Shawn Mendes and Stitches. Okay, later we'll have a look at it. But I listen to some music like this. Maybe if you want, let me see. I stop first. I will now share screen with the music also. I do not know whether you can hear the music. You see whether you can hear. Okay. Can you hear the music? Can. I do not know. Do you want the music? Okay. Okay, question 12 and 13 then. Question 12 and 13. I better not put the music lah. In case some of you have your own music, start to clash. Then you get headache. So you do 12 first. This is actually a ratio question, a ratio. So Zahin says the answer 12 is okay. Let us see. Hold on. What about Puteri? And what about Akil? Akil, knockout lah Akil. Congratulations to Mr. Zahin. Can you try the next one? You can wash your face lah, Akil. You didn't wash your face, you just stay in your seat. Of course, you feel tired. I have to sit for 4 lessons like that from morning until Akil is 2. Well done. Okay, we are waiting for the rest. Quite easy, son. Quite easy. Let's see. Putri can do that, Putri. Believe. Cannot do. So now this is red paint mixed with white paint. Then what you get? You get the pink paint lah. All right. So they say 3 red paint to 1. We'll get what? We get 4 lah. Right. This one will get 4. So we write 4 down here. We write 4 down here. Now they say total pink is 36. Well, how do you get to 36 from here? You times by 9. Correct? So all these you times by red paint you must also times by 9. Times by 9 you get 27. This one times by 9 you get 9. See, 27 plus 9 is 36. So the answer is 27 because they're asking you for how much red paint is used. Are you okay? Yes, huh? All right, the next one now. We have Zahin giving the answer. What about the rest of you? Zahin. You must read carefully, Mr. Zahin. They say increase. How come the salary is lesser than last year? Apalah Zahin. Shawn Mendes is not good for you. All right. Okay, so the salary now, this is more. It cannot be last year. So you know these first two are out already. You know, if you read carefully, you know the salary was 4,200. There's an increase. What is the salary this year? It cannot be less than 4,200 for sure. You don't even need to calculate. Now it's either 3 or 4. So Akil has given the answer. Okay, Putri has given the answer. Zahin has given the answer. What about Mr. Ilhan? So 3% say the answer is 3. 1% say the answer is 4. Let us see. 40%. Just 40% over 100 times by 4,200 lah. Okay. In fact, if you want to get it straight, you can just put 140, but I don't want to confuse you because some of you will become confused. So cancel 2 zeros, cancel 2 zeros. So 42 times, I just use my calculator, this one. 42 times 40. 1680. But must plus to the 4,200 lah. Zahin, you got the answer just now, what? 1680. So 1680, you plus this one to 4,002, you get 5,880. Correct, Zahin? Yes, huh? Zahin, you get it, Zahin? Zahin? Yes, huh? See, I do not know. Is listening to music? Okay, I do not know whether it's okay or not. Okay. Alamak, Putri, your head, Putri. I say correct water. This one, the like that. The only one who's stable is Zahin. Zahin is good, huh? Okay, here we go. Come on, this one. Not drawn to scale. You know what this is, huh? This means parallel. This one means parallel. Equal, you know, I will mark for you, BC is equal to DC. These two are equal. You know what a triangle that is. They want you to find BDC. I'm not going to tell you where BDC is in case you don't know where BDC is. So parallel, I'll mark the parallel for you. Wow, very fast. I have not even finished thinking. Finished it. AB parallel to CD. Oh yeah, very good. Once you put the parallel, you can see the pattern. You know what to do. Let us see. Who is this? Akil, Ilhan. Akil. Kill. Akil, congratulations, Mr. Akil. Ilhan, Zahin, okay, Farisa, okay. So 2% say 50, 2% say 65. Now, they tell you that this is parallel to this. So you can do a Z. What a Z? Z is this one, Zing, Zoom, Zang. That means this one is also 50, yeah? All right, now they ask you for, but is this answer? They want angle BDC. BDC is which angle? You got to check out BDC. DC is the angle down here. It's always a center angle. Always a center angle down here. So now remember, okay, I'm going to mark this again. I'm going to mark this again in case you forget. This thing here, in case you forget. We want to get, they tell you that BC is equal to DC. BC is equals to DC. That means this is isosceles triangle. So how to do? Very simple. Very simple. Okay. 180 minus 50 is equals to, yes, okay. Thank you very much, Putri. You've seen the light. 130 degrees. 130 degrees is for these two angles. So now you take 130 degrees divided by 2. You get 65. Okay, no problem. 65 degrees. Okay, small bubble. Okay, so the answer is 65. Here we go, next one. Okay, let us see now. So sorry to Mr. Ilhan and Mr. Akil and Mr. Zahid. I do not know. Let me check. Maybe you might be right. Maybe you might be right. Maybe you might be right. We are waiting for Putri. Okay, here we go. I'm going to run through. Putri can do that, Putri. Putri can do. Okay, Putri says wait for a while. Now, for all those who have given answers, I think all your answers are wrong so far. So please check your answers. All of you are wrong. I repeat, semua salah. Putri pun salah. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm going to show you now. First of all, why don't you write down like this? Red to yellow. Red to yellow. Right, like that lah. Then, so red to yellow is, no, sorry, not red to yellow. The first one, sorry, is red to blue, is it? Okay, red to blue. So you have red, Allahu Akbar. So red to blue. Red to blue is how much? They give you what down here? 3:2. So I write 3:2. 3:2. So red to blue. Red is bigger than blue, no? So look at this. Red bigger than blue, correct? Red bigger than blue, correct? Red smaller than blue, wrong. Red bigger than blue, correct? Red is 3, blue is 2. Red is 3, blue is 2, correct? Red is 3, blue is 1. Out lah. Red is 1, 2, 3. 2. Okay, this one is correct. Why? Because this is 6:2. 6:2 is the same as if you reduce. No, it's wrong also. 6 is, this is 6. This is 2, no? You reduce, divide by 2, you get 3:1. This one is also wrong. Hey, I don't even need to look at the question. This will be the right answer. Okay, let's see now. Then they say yellow, red to yellow is 1:2. So red to yellow is 1:2. Red is 1, Y is 2. Why I don't times this by 3 or so? I'll make it easier. Times by 3. Times by 3. So yellow is 6, red is 3, blue is 2. Can you see that? So now here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is correct. Yellow is 6, 6. Blue is 2, 2. Red is 3, 3. So the answer is 4. I hope you are getting it. I hope you're getting it. Putri, wake up. Putri, wake up. We have finished question 1 to 15. Do you count how many you get correct? Okay, if not, we try for the next round. For the next round. Okay, you have now and go. Shaded, I think all together lah. This one so include this one, the black part, the all these thing lah. Okay, this right. Can you try please? Okay, if you need to rinse your face, rinse your face. We have another 37.
Only do number 19
16, 17, 18, 19 must do lah. 16 to 19. Okay. And you need to rinse your face, please carry on. Hold on. Wow, that's fast. We have 4 answers. Yes. Let us see. Putri, check. Your answer is not correct. Zahin, nearest 100, not correct. Akil, not correct. Hey, you all do not know how to do this one. Hello. Come. We do this one. I do not know whether you all are mabuk or not, but okay. 6, 9, 0, 5, 2. Check, Zahin, check. Okay, down here now, nearest 100, we must find out which is 100. This ones, tens, 100 is here. So you must look at down here and do you add 1? For 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you must add 1. So when you add 1, this one becomes 6, 9, 1. Zahin is celebrating. But Zahin, once you have done that, you must change all these to 0. Remember, don't leave the 52. You must change it to 0. Because when they say nearest 100, you must have 2 zeros. Nearest 1,000 must have 3 zeros. So the answer is 69110. 100. Akil cannot, Akil. Akil give to nearest 1,000. Putri give to nearest 1,000. Okay, so please check. Let's see now. Okay, the next one. This sign on here is what sign? Plus. Divide. This is divide. You cannot see this is divide. This one number 2 is divide. 2 divided by 49. Give your answer as a mixed number. 2 divided by 49. Ilhan, you okay, Ilhan? Mabuk, Ilhan. I know how it feels to be drunk. Drunk, not because I drank beer, but sometimes I'm drunk, sleepy. How to do 17? Okay, come, I show you how to do 17. Very easy. You check. Those who do not know how to do, check. Very simple. You want 2 divided by 4. 2 is 2 over 1, correct? Divided by 4 over 9. Hold on. Divide by 4 over 9. Then you want to change divide to times. Remember not? In primary 5, you learn this. 2 over 1 times 9 over 4. 9 over 4. So divide by 2, you get 1. Divide by 2, you get 2. So it's 9 over 2 is your answer. But 9 over 2, they want your answer as a mixed number. What to do? Put that 9 over 2. So Akil, 9 over 2 is correct, but they want answer is mixed number. So this one get 8, so minus, this one get 4. Now here you get 1 remainder. So the answer is 4 whole 1 over 2. So remember 4 whole, 4 whole. Remainder 1 become the numerator. Divisor is always at the bottom. So the answer is 4 1 over 2 for this answer. 4 1 over 2. Okay, I'm going to clear the screen. Can you clear the screen? Okay, here we go. We try now. Cannot clear the screen. I do not know. Akil is shaking. Cannot. But he's listening to music. Okay. So now 18 and 19. Again, this is also divide. You cannot use calculator for this one. Okay, we have only half an hour to go. I myself also finding it headache also. Alhamdulillah, only got 2 more classes after this. Okay, 2 persons have given answers. Let's see. Okay, Zahin and I think your answer is correct. Congratulations. For question 16, sorry, 18. Okay. What about the last one? Last one, Zahin says, I want to find the area. Zahin, your answer is correct. Congratulations, Mr. Zahin. For 19. Not bad, Zahin. So for this one, we're going to go through shortly. Okay, 80 divided by 80.2 divided by 5. We have to do long division style. Let us see what's the answer like for some of you. All right, Ilhan, well done. Hey, Ilhan, almost done. Almost well done. So let us check now. Okay, down here. So divide by 5, you get 5. 1 over here, you minus, you get 3. And then bring down the 0. 30 divided by 5, get 6. It is 30, right? You minus it. Sorry. You minus, you get 0, right? You bring down the 2. But when you bring down the 2, remember you are crossing the point. Put the point here also. You bring down the 2. 2 cannot divide by 5. You must put a 0. Then down here you can add zeros and bring down the 0. No problem. You bring down the 0, you get 20. You get 20 over here. 20 divided by 5 is 4. Okay. All right, for question 19, Akil, well done. Zahin, well done. So we ask Putri, what is the base and height you're going to use down here for this triangle? You see, there's some numbers you don't need to use. Base and height must meet at 90 degrees. Actually, there's so many ways to do this. Let's see. No. Cannot so many ways. Only one way. I give you down here, you take 25. Then where's the height, Miss Putri? How many cm? If this is 4 down here, because it meets at Eh, no lah, it's not. Oh yeah, it is. It is, because this is 90 degrees. So 4, 25. So half times 4 times 25, you will get 50 lah. Right, half times 25 times 4. This you can cancel. Yeah? So this I get 2. 25 times 2, 50 squares here. Okay, 50 squares here. Oh. Okay, I'm not going to give you more tough now. I'm going to give you another test paper. Okay, why? Because I do not, because at this stage now, you are feeling a little bit sleepy. Yeah? If I'm going to give you, you're going to get a headache. Lah. So we stop this one down here for a while. Oh, this one is okay. This one is okay. Once you get too tough, I will stop you. Okay, you try this one. You want to what is y? Very simple, this one. Okay, we have Mr. Akil. Congratulations, Akil. Very fast. Zahin, very fast. What about Ilhan? What about Putri? Putri, well done. So very simple, huh? Ilhan, come. Okay, well done. So all of you got correct. Alhamdulillah. You know that you just take 90 minus 37, get 53. Okay. Let us see whether now we can move on to the next one or we have to do another paper. Yeah, I will do another paper. Rosyth or Rosyth. I do not know which one is it. Or oh, okay. And question 1 and question 2. 25 minutes more. To the nearest 100, you know which one is 100, right? Congratulations, Mr. Zahin and Ms. Putri and Mr. Akil. Okay, for the first one, and those of you who are not sure, 100 is which one? 1 times 100 is the form. So you must do, yes, correct. Get 3, all of you get correct. You have to check the digit beside it, and it says, what does it say? It's less than 5. So don't plus. So the answer is 50.24. Well done. All got it correct. Let's try the next one. Next two. Okay, let's see now. Sum of all the factors, all the common factors of 8 and 12. Let us see. We have one person again. Okay, if you have forgotten, let's see. Okay, let us see. Now, so we ask yourself, what times what? Give you 8. 1 times 8. Some more. I'll list down everything now in case you forget. We are doing the factors. Then 2 times 4. That's all. There's no more. What about 12? 12 is 1 times 12. Some more. 2 times 6. Some more. 3 times 4. Okay. 3 times 4. So let us circle the. Oh, let us circle the 3 times 4. Circle the factors are the same. 1, 1, 2, 2, 4, 4. So add them up together, what do you get? Sum, because they want you to find the sum. 1 plus 2 plus 4, answer is 7. Congratulations to Mr. Zahid. Okay, now the next one. For number 3, what is the ratio of the number of girls to number of boys? Very simple, this one. Number 3, what's the answer? Let's see. We're waiting for the rest. Zahin, congratulations. All the rest, okay. Putri, congratulations. Aki, congratulations. Okay, very simple. You find the number of boys first. Then you have 28. Then what's the number of girls? Number of girls is 60 minus 28 equals to 32. So what's the ratio of number of girls to number of boys? Is 30. Oh, Zahin, sorry, your answer is wrong. Akil, your answer is wrong. Ilhan, I've not gotten yours. Putri, your answer is wrong. So they ask you for a number of girls to boys. Girls at 32. Boys is 28. Yeah. So now you divide by 4, you get 8. Divide by 4, you get 7. 3, yes, number 3. Okay, I agree with 3. And Zahin and the rest. So be careful, be careful. All right, we have 20 minutes left. 20 minutes. I myself am waiting for the countdown. So shame on me. Shame on me. This one now. Okay. Which of the following readings is closest to the one shown on the weighing scale? If you cannot see, we will have to increase it. Okay, let's see. Got 2 answers here. Zahin, well done. And Akil, well done. Congratulations. What about the rest? The rest, if you're not sure, this out here must be. See, is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this must be 21. So in between here is 21, 20.5. 21.5. So this is like slightly more than 20.5. It is actually 26, 20.6. 21 is here. It's not over 21. Okay. Putri, I'm also tired, Putri. Okay, we might end slightly earlier lah, if you all can't take it. Erwin drove for 150 minutes. and then she reached her workplace at 2:30. What time did she start driving? What time did she start driving? Congratulations, Mr. Ilhan. First one to get it right. Zahin also, yes. So it's Ilhan and Zahin first one. Okay, so some say it's late. So now you must remember, first of all, he drove and then he reached the workplace. Right? Right? He drove and then reached the workplace at 2:30. So now it's 150 minutes. What is 150 minutes? 150 minutes is how many minutes, how many hours, how many minutes? You can count on. Okay, let's see. 150 minutes. This is 1 hour 60 minutes. So 60 plus 60 plus 30 actually. It's actually 2 hours and 30 minutes. 60 is 1 hour, another 60 is another hour, plus 30. So it's 2 hours and 30 minutes. 2 hours 30 minutes is 12 noon. You go back lah. Go back by what? Half an hour, 2 o'clock. Go back by 1 hour, 1 o'clock. Go back by 1 more hour, 12 noon. 12 noon is PM, not AM. AM is early morning. Okay, we do the next one. Wow, so many. Okay, Zahin says number 4. Ilhan says number 3. Akil says number 4. Putri says number 3. Okay, so you got 2 different answers now. What to do? Let us read carefully. What is the question saying? At first, Harry had 5x. His father gave him 3x. So now he has how much? 5x plus 3x. He got 8x. Right? This is what he has now. 8x dollars. Then he bought a storybook for $14. Well, you minus 14, and then you know what's the answer. So the answer is 8x minus 14. Because this is what he have. Minus the storybook. Question 7. Okay, let's see now, number 7. Oh, yeah. Akil, according to answer key, your answer is, oh, not bad. Huh? Oh, Ilhan. According to answer key, your answer is right. Akil, your answer is wrong according to answer key. We are gonna do it shortly. In case you cannot see, now they tell you that AB is a straight line. Okay, this one is a straight line. Huh? So, okay, let's see now. Down here to down here, let's see. 60 plus 125, what do you get? You get 125 plus 67. Huh? You get 192. 192 is from here right away until here, you know. So you minus 180 degrees, down here is a straight line one. You minus 180 degrees, you get answer already. It's 180 degrees. 180 degrees give you 12 degrees. Are you okay? Again, this plus this give you right until here. This one is straight line. Straight line 180 degrees. So all the way until here, which is 192 degrees minus 180, will give you 12 degrees, which is the answer. Okay, we do another, let me see, 2 more questions or so. Okay, we do 9 first. Congratulations, Mr. Akil. But I do not know whether this is by luck or you know how to do it. Zahin, so sorry. As I said, what's 100% now? What's 100%? What's the original that thing? 100% is how many dollars? How many points? 20, right? This is 100%. So it's 20 points. So now this is 25. There's an increase of 5 degrees. So 5 out of 20 times 100. But I feel I'm not explaining clearly. Anyway, you'll get 25%. Okay? 25%. So that's what the increase is. All right. Now I tell you what, I'm going to you give your answer on the chat. I'm going to give you a very short test. This is on. Hold on. Okay, we do 2 by 2 first. And go. Question 1 and question 2. I can just give the answer for question 1. Yes? Someone raise a hand. Yes, Ilhan. You send me a message. If you want anything, you need to go to the toilet, please carry on. 2. Okay, a lot of you say 2, but answer is not 2. First, how to change to decimal? Remember, if it's decimal and fractions can change, but they must meet something common, which is what? Which is the down here is supposed to be 10, 100,000. Remember? So change this to 10. So what you get? You change this to 10, you get 4 wholes, 8 over 10. So this is equals to 4.8, which is number 4. Okay. Next one now. 200,000 plus what? Plus 8,000. Okay, we do our last question now. Very last question. Number 4. Okay, Putri, well done. Ilhan, well done. Zahin, blank answer. Zahin, can you key in your answer again? All right, this is now the answer. So durian is to apple. And this is 2 wholes, sorry, 2 wholes and 1/4, right? You can change this now into improper fraction. 2 times 4, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. So it's 9 over 8, sorry, 9 over 4, right? So now that means 9 is from the durian, 4 is for the apple. So the ratio is 9:4. Okay, I think we will stop here. We have a few minutes more, we'll stop here because I think we're not productive anymore. We'll see you again next Sunday, right? Putri, if let's say today at 5 o'clock, if you are 5:30, if you find it too difficult, then you ask your mom to message me. If you feel you cannot concentrate, okay? All right, okay, bye-bye. Take care of yourself.